Hey friends, what is good? Last time I covered the different installations of Bonsai, and today I want to go deeper into Bonsai PR. Let's see if we can get it installed. I didn't exercise this before, so I didn't prepare. I'm going to do it the first time, so it might take more time, but not sure. Maybe I succeed from the get-go. But let's see. So why do I want to do that? Bonsai PR, what is Bonsai PR? Well, Bonsai PR, Bonsai pull request. In a way, I think the most simplified way to say is that the most updated version of Bonsai, including the newest features, which have not been checked by the approvers, by the admins of IfcOpenShell project. So it's like a double-edged sword. We get access to the newest update, but at the same time, most of these things are pushed by people who don't have a programmer background. So that's why they don't get pushed. At the same time, I want to install this and compare them with the unstable version. And why? This is the biggest difference, right? Because Dion clarified something for me today, which I was mistakenly wrong about this, apparently. Because I thought that the unstable build gives you this access to these builds right here. We see these are all the new builds from 8 hours ago. But that apparently is not the case. In the unstable build, we can see that this has been updated. This has been updated now as well. But last time when I checked this, it was like 2 weeks ago. So it's a difference between that, right? So that's going to be the difference. The unstable build is going to be approved always, like everything what is getting into the unstable build is going to include the reviews of the programmers. So Dion, Thomas, or whoever else is checking these things. Meanwhile, the PR will just push everything. So it's going to have the newest things, okay? So the good part is that you can disable one and enable the other one. You can't have both at the same time because otherwise, it will not work, Bonsai. But that's why I want to install it and have both options and see how it works, okay? So that's the long story short. Let's see how do we do that, okay? I told you I didn't exercise this before. We have installing Bonsai PR with automated updates because that's what I want to do. Let's do that. Let's do it step by step. I'll go to the applications. I'm going to go to applications here, and I have Blender app, this one. This is the newest. I think it's Blender 5.1.1 or something like that. So I'm going to launch this one. Let's see. Yeah, there we go. We have already, because it gets the Bonsai from the other version that I have. First, let's see. What was it? If I press here, splash screen 5.1.2. So let's rename this 5.1.2. Rename. And when I will restart it, it should work. Or actually, let me stop it now. In case I save something or, to make sure that we get it properly, right? We don't want to redo things, guys. Good, so I'm going to go to preferences, which for some reason goes on the other screen I have. We see that I got the update. You see what I was talking about? The last time we got the update for the unstable build was 15th of May. That's 2 weeks ago, right? So that's the biggest difference that you're going to get. Like Bonsai PR you get as long as we get those automated builds, which include all the pull requests. But these ones are appearing not so often when the guys are reviewing and pushing those things. So I'm going to go here, add-ons, So let's disable this. And let's go back to instructions. Disable, click on get extension. In the top, click the repository, plus, and let's add this, okay? Okay, so we have to go here, repositories. We have already something here. We have to add another one. Add, was it remote or add remote repository. Yeah, add remote repository. Check for updates at start. Enable, yeah. Bonsai PR, click install. Okay, so now I'm going to click create. We got it here. And now we still see Bonsai. Let's search for Bonsai, and if we get, yeah, there we go. So you can see three things here, right? This one is the one that I already have, the unstable version. This one is the one from the extensions page from officially from Blender, and this one is Bonsai PR, okay? And this is the one we want. So I'm installing this one. Good. Good. I'm going to leave that as it is for now. Okay, so it installed it. I didn't get any prompt to restart it. I will do that though. Go to the menu, add-ons, Bonsai PR, enable, restart Blender. Blender will automatically check for the updates. Yeah, so it would use always the newest one. Yeah, so it worked actually quite easily with this with these steps right here. It's very simple. Manually you can also do it, but why should you do that? Doesn't make any sense. But that kind of was the thing when I was meaning manually. Yeah, because you can do manually. What do I mean with that? You can go here for, yeah, if you download any of this, like for me this one, and you install it manually. That's the manual way to install Bonsai PR. So yeah, we see that the latest build has been 8 hours ago since, okay? So why should you do that? So this was not possible before. It was possible only manually, and sometimes I was doing that when the latest unstable version was not working. So now it makes sense. Okay, so most probably I'm going to try with Bonsai PR. Let's close it. And let's start it again. Again, it's going on the other screen. Let's see. What happened? Oh yeah, maybe it takes some time. The first time, not sure. Oh yeah, there we go. Yeah, it takes some time for some reason. Good, and that's it. I don't know what exactly I should test here. Yeah, because you can't know unless you try some different things that have been implemented. So I think if we want to see any of these, if we go, we have to go here to commits and see what has changed lately. We can see that a crash has been fixed, optimized 2D projection, something with solid. Yeah, not so much of today. Fix duplicate booleans. Yeah, some things have, like a lot has happened yesterday. You can see it here. Yeah, but that's it. Mission accomplished, guys. I managed to install Bonsai PR. And I think every time a new build is released here, so every time we get something here, like if you look here, we see that this one was released 8 hours ago. If we go to releases, sorry, I have to click to see all of them. So this one has been 8 hours ago, this one 13 hours ago. So every time a new build is automatically released, we get that one. Of course, if we have to update that, right? But we see here the latest one. We have the latest right now. But if we are, for example, on this one and we start Bonsai or Blender, we should see the update button, and we should press on it and get the newest update. Yeah, okay. So finally, actually, I thought that until today, I thought that I was using always unstable version, or because I thought that unstable version is always updated to the latest build. But it seems that that's not the case. So now I'm very happy to have Bonsai PR, and let's see how it works. And if I want to go back to Bonsai, normal Bonsai, or unstable bonsai. I think it might work also with the stable version, but I think the stable version it's way too outdated, to be honest. I really don't like that. So yeah, I can just go here in add-ons and disable Bonsai PR and enable Bonsai, the unstable version. But I'm going to roll with this, and if I get any problems, then I will go to the unstable one. So that's it. I'm curious if you plan to also give it a try. If yes, let me know what you think, and especially if you already tried it, because I'm just starting with this, so I'm really looking forward. But if you tried already, let me know what you think about it. Also, you can see here in the right bottom corner, Bonsai PR version and the date. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you up in the next one.